fish in and fish out. We're back here at Potter County, and we're fishing for creek trout, and we're just spraying it down with some garlic spray. Apparently the fish like it. And I got the little fake fish spinner, and there's Dad. We got the Jeep here.
Here.
We didn't bring the Lamborghini today, but
why don't you give it a spray? Just lay it on the ground and spray it. Yeah.
You want me to spray it?
Yeah. We're desperate to catch something. That'll do.
Ew,
it stinks to high heaven. Holy moly.
That's awesome.
Good news, it's tournament strength. It stinks to high heaven. Yeah. I got some on my hands too. Right up there behind that tree. Get up. Oh! That was a rock, not a fish. Alright, this is a prime time. Feels like it should be so fishy. Although nothing's fishy at the moment. Going in. Big money, big money, big money. No whammies. Come on. Oh, oh yeah, I got one! Fish on! Yes! I caught a fish! It's a miracle. Dude, look at this brookie. Barely hooked. Don't you want to see it? You don't care, you just want to catch your own. There you go, bud. Yes. There's fish in here. Oh, that was way too excited. First cast in this spot. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. Ouch. Oh, doggone it. Okay. No fish. Got it. Oh. Cast king. No. Shoot. Yes. It's a win for the good guys. Oh, fishing. Ah, shoot. I'm sorry, I'm snagged. I would be so annoyed with Julian's right now if he was doing the same thing. Free. Anybody out there hungry? I have little spinny things. I know it's winter, but you still have to eat. Little pool here. Anybody in there? Probably not. Don't blame you. I can't believe nobody's hiding out down there. That's where I would be. Well, for what it's worth, that was a perfect cast. Not my fault. Okay, so I just landed one up here. Let's see if I can do it again. Oh, that's money shot. Get it. Oh, there's gotta be something in there. Come on. Okay, we have mega juicy water. Oh, doggone it, get out of there. Nothing chasing, only seem to be interested. It's coming towards them. Ah, that's terrible. Oh, now I'm up on the rock. Let's see if I can pop it off. Yeah. I'm dragging something. Gotta follow. Get it. Get it. Yes. Oh, these are beautiful, beautiful boy. Oh, he's gone. See Jay out there looking the part, man.